Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, we are going to discuss about the final selection criteria, about the placements and about the batch profile for all the baby arms who are participating in the SAP process.
Now coming to the final selection criteria for IIM Bodh Gaya, then in that 40% weightage is given to your CAT score, 10% weightage is given to your personal interview, 20% weightage is given to the VAT, then 12% weightage is given to the academic profile, 12% weightage is given to the work experience and 6% weightage is given to the diversity. Then your academic profile will also have some points, like your class 10th marks will have 4 points, class 12th marks will have 4 points, graduation score will have 4 points, and overall there are 12 points. Then for work experience also there are some points are allotted, like for 12 months it is 2, for 24 it is 8, for 36 it is 12 and for 48 it is 6. And if we consider the academic diversity, then there are 4 points for the academic diversity, and for the gender diversity there are 2 points. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for the IIM Bodh Gaya, then there are 170 candidates are the male candidates and 35 candidates are the female candidates. So overall the batch strength is of 205 candidates. And if we consider it in terms of the educational background, then there are 19.4 candidates are from the management and accounting. Then 9.2% candidates have the BSc as an academic background, 63.6% candidates have the BE BTech as an academic background, and 7.8% candidates are with the other background than this. And if we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 17.4% candidates have the work experience of more than 24 months, 7.2% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 24 months, 7.7% candidates have the work experience less than 12 months, and 67.6% candidates are the freshers. If we consider the placements for the IIM Bodh Gaya, then in that there are top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 21.93 lakhs per annum and the median salary package of 18.50 lakhs per annum. There are top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 18.92 lakhs per annum and with the median salary package of 16.38 lakhs per annum. There are top 75% candidates are with the average salary package of 17.29 lakhs per annum and with the median salary package of 16 lakhs per annum. So overall the average salary package of this college it is nearly up to 15.68 lakhs per annum and the median salary package is 15.08 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it sector wise, then for the analytics, the highest salary package offered is 22 lakhs per annum, the average salary package is 15.65 lakhs per annum and the median CTC offered is 16 lakhs per annum. For BFSI, the highest salary package is 23.20 lakhs per annum, the average CTC offered is 15.81 lakhs per annum and the median CTC offered is 16 lakhs per annum. For consulting, the highest CTC offered is 12.67 lakhs per annum, the average salary package it is also 12.67, same with the median salary package also. For the e-commerce sector, the highest salary package offered is 34.91 lakhs per annum, the average salary package offered is 20.04 lakhs per annum and the median salary package offered is 34.91 lakhs per annum. If we consider it in terms of education, then the highest salary package offered is 25 and the average and median salary package offered is 15.50 lakhs per annum. For the FMCG, the highest average and median salary package is 12 lakhs per annum. For the IT sector, the highest CTC offered is 48.58 lakhs per annum, the average CTC offered is 16.65 lakhs per annum and the median CTC offered is 15.20 lakhs per annum. For the manufacturing, the highest CTC offered is 21.50 lakhs per annum, average CTC offered is 14.10 lakhs per annum and the median CTC is 15 lakhs per annum. For the service sector, the highest CTC is 20, average CTC is 13.91 and the median CTC is 13 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for IIM Bodh Gaya, then those are Infosys, TCS, Accenture Strategy, JSW, Tech Mahindra, ICICI Bank, HSBC, HDFC First Bank, then S Bank, SBI Cap, and there are so many companies are over there. Now coming to the final selection criteria for IIM Jammu, then in that 40% weightage is given to your CAT score, 10% weightage is given to the VAT, 20% weightage is given to the personal interview, 4% weightage is given to the graduation marks, then 3% weightage is given to your class 12th marks, 3% weightage is given to your class 10th marks, 8% weightage is given to the work experience, and 10% weightage is given to the diversity. So if we consider the overall batch profile for the Indian Institute of Management Jammu, then the overall batch strength is of 239 candidates. There are 79% candidates are the male candidates and 21% candidates are the female candidates. If we consider it in terms of the educational background, then there are 4% candidates are from the arts, 56% candidates are from the engineering, 10% candidates are from the science, 27% candidates are from the commerce, and 3% candidates are the academic background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 75% candidates are the freshers, then 8% candidates have the work experience less than 1 year, 8% candidates have the work experience in between 2 to 4 years, and 10% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 2 years. If we consider it in terms of placements, then the highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 64 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered is 16.50 lakhs per annum, and the median CTC offered with the IIM Jammu, it is nearly up to 15.25 lakhs per annum. There are top 10% candidates are with the average CTC package of 32 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 24.5 lakhs per annum, and top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 20 lakhs per annum. If we consider it domain wise, then there were 21% placements are from the consulting, and the average salary package offered in the consulting, it is nearly up to 13 lakh 85,000 rupees. For the sales and marketing, there were 26% offers, and the average salary package is 14 lakhs 81,000 rupees. For the operations, the average salary package is 27 lakhs 33,000, and 9% placements was from the operations. For the finance, the average salary package is 17 lakh 29,000 rupees, and there were 11% offers were made from the finance. 4% offers were made from the analytics. The average salary package with analytics is nearly up to 19 lakh 25,000 rupees. For the strategy, there were 1% offers, and the average salary package with strategy, it is nearly up to 13 lakh 85,000 rupees. 22% placements are from the general marketing. 16 lakh 69,000 rupees is the average salary package for general marketing, and there were 6% offers are from the others. If we consider it sector wise, then for the IT and analytics, the average salary package is 15 lakh 47,000 rupees. For logistics and e-commerce, the average salary package is 25 lakh 20,000 rupees. Then if we consider the BFSI, the average salary package is 16 lakh 21,000 rupees. For consulting, the average salary package is 12 lakh 88,000 rupees. For energy, the average salary package is 19 lakh 58,000 rupees, and for other, it is 15 lakh 91,000 rupees. And if we consider the top recruiters for the IIM Jammu, then those are Aditya Birla Group, Cognizant, ICICI Bank, Adani, S Bank, Accenture, Infosys, Airtel, Reliance, KPMG, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra, Tata Power, Mahindra, Genpact, SCL Technology, Microsoft, S Bank, EY, and there are so many companies are over there. Now coming to the final selection criteria for IIM Sirmoor, then in that 45% weightage is given to your CAT score, 25% weightage is given to your personal interview score, 10% weightage is given to the academic performance, 10% weightage is given to the work experience, 5% weightage is given to the academic diversity, and 5% weightage is given to the gender diversity. Now if we consider the batch profile for the IIM Sirmoor, then there are 69% candidates are the male candidates and 31% candidates are the female candidates. If we consider it in terms of the academic background, then there are 18% candidates are from the commerce, 56% candidates are from the engineering, 13% candidates are from the arts and science, 8% candidates are from the management, and 3% candidates are from the other than this. Then if we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 10% candidates are from the manufacturing, 8% candidates are from the retail and e-commerce, 39% candidates are from the IT and ITES, 6% candidates are from the BFSI, 4% candidates are from the consulting, 4% candidates are from the EdTech, 5% candidates are from the real estate, and 24% candidates are from the others. So overall there are 67% candidates are the freshers. There are like 3% candidates have the work experience of more than 36 months, 6% candidates have the work experience in between 25 to 36 months, 18% candidates have the work experience in between 13 to 24 months, 6% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 12 months. If we consider the overall placements, then the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 64.12 lakhs per annum. There are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 24.38 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 19.53 lakhs per annum. Top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 17.15 lakhs per annum. Top 13% candidates are with the average salary package of 14.45 lakhs per annum, and 6% candidates are from the average salary package of 13 lakhs per annum. If we consider the placements according to sector wise, then for the BFSI, the average salary package is 14 lakhs, the median salary package is 12 lakh 41,000 rupees, and the highest salary package is 24 lakh 75,000 rupees. For the IT and ITES, the average CTC offered is 13 lakh 78,000 rupees. The median salary package offered is 13 lakhs per annum. Then the maximum CTC offered is 28 lakhs per annum. For the consulting sector, the average CTC offered is 12 lakh 24,000 rupees. The median salary package offered is 11 lakh 68,000 lakhs per annum. The maximum CTC offered is 16 lakhs per annum. If we consider it in terms of the e-commerce and retail, then the average CTC for this is 14 lakh 44,000 rupees. The median CTC is 15 lakhs and the maximum CTC is 15 lakhs. If we consider the infrastructure and real estate, then the average CTC is 16 lakh 22,000. The median CTC is 16 lakhs and the maximum CTC is 20 lakhs. For the logistics and supply chain management, the average salary package is 15 lakh 25,000. The median salary package is 17 lakh 25,000 and the maximum CTC is 17 lakh 25,000 rupees. For the telecom and media, the average CTC offered is 13 lakhs, same with the median, and the maximum salary package offered is 14 lakh 77,000 rupees. If we consider the manufacturing, then the average CTC offered is 14 lakhs rupees and the maximum CTC offered is 18 lakhs 58,000 rupees. For the EdTech, the average salary package offered is nearly up to 19 lakhs and the maximum CTC offered is nearly up to 25 lakhs rupees. If we consider the other sector, then the average CTC offered is 23 lakh 75,000 rupees. The median CTC offered is 13 lakhs per annum and the maximum CTC is 64 lakhs per annum. If we consider the overall top recruiters for the IIM Sirmoor, then those are ICICI Bank, Accenture Strategy, HDFC Bank, HSBC, Cognizant, D-Shaw, Iconta, Deloitte, Infosys, TCS, EY, SCL, PwC, Reliance, Airtel, Hero, and there are so many companies are over there.
So this is all about these 3 baby arms. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.